In this video, we'll guide you through how to enable voice typing or voice input on Samsung keyboard or any other Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If we go to the Message app on my phone and try to use the keyboard, we don't currently have a voice typing option. So, let's go through how to get it, as it's super useful. First of all, you need to go and open up the Settings app. Then you need to scroll down and find the option for General Management. Then you want to go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and find the option Voice Inputs, and tap that. Now from Voice Input, as you can see here, it's currently selected to None. That's why I don't have that microphone. I can change this to either Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing, whatever you like. So you can go ahead and select one. I will just go with Google Voice Typing. Next, we need to go back to General Management. Then click on Keyboard List and Default. Then you want to enable this feature that says Keyboard Button on Navigation Bar. And we are done. If we go back to using the keyboard now, you should see this mic icon at the bottom left. On some phones, it will be at the bottom right or somewhere in the settings menu. Now we can tap on it, and that should work for us. Now we have Google Voice Typing enabled on our Samsung keyboard. When you are done talking, just click on it once, and it will stop recording. So, that's how to enable voice typing on your Samsung keyboard.